Meet mBot2 Rover, an exciting and interactive robot designed to teach children programming skills at various levels, from beginners to advanced. Whether used indoors or outdoors, kids enjoy endless fun with mBot2 Rover. It comes with high-quality components specifically designed for STEM learning. The intuitive controls of the mBot2 Rover create an immersive and enjoyable experience for children, making learning more fun. Take mBot2 Rover anywhere you like. Watch as our rover follows lines with precision on its map. And it can even recognize colors. And when it encounters obstacles, it tackles them head on. You can also explore building different configurations. With MakeBlock's free coding software mBlock, you can use AI models to create more expressions and make programming even more fun. Kids can make mBot2 Rover sing and dance. Get mBot2 Rover today and start your adventure.